Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone guys sound and vibration setting friends. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you enable your vibrate mode. So friends, now let's see guys how to enable vibrate mode in our Realme phone friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you friends, if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So friends, how can you enable guys? First of all, open your phone setting to enable guys your vibrate mode. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see this type of setting. Guys click on guys sound and vibration setting. Friends tap here. Guys click on your this ring mode setting. Friends tap here. Friends you can see your vibrate mode setting. So friends you want to enable vibrate mode. So friends you can enable. And guys you can see your ring will vibrate. And guys you can see a vibrate mode icon on your screen. So guys your phone will vibrate. So like that guys you can enable guys your vibrate mode in your Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet in the next video friends with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching.